Hello friends, welcome to Taju Creations. Today we are going to see a tech video to how to post image in your community tab. So we'll see both the categories, one using your laptop or your PC and the other one using your Android phone. Okay, so both will be the same but there will be few changes. So we'll go one by one. I will start with the laptops. Okay, laptop and the PC, it will be almost the same settings. Firstly, download the image or the GIF file which you wanted to post in your community tab. So then open your YouTube page. So I opened my YouTube page, and in the dashboard you will find on the corner or right corner on the top you will find the upload option, go live and create a post. So click on that, you will be redirected to another page. Here you can post it. So I am just typing a name or a heading for that. Okay, whatever you want you can post it, just an image or quote or the YouTube link, whatever you want you can post it. I'm just giving a heading for my post. And now click on either video or image. Okay, if you're going to upload a GIF file, just click on the video, or image, click on the image. Okay, I'm going to upload only the image. So then you have to drop your image in this box and you have to reposition it. Okay, so for repositioning only, it will be a part of the portion will be visible for subscribers, and once they click on it they can view the full image. So I'm resizing it and click on the save in the sense click on the post option. Once you click on the post option, it will take few seconds. Then you will get a notification stating that the post is created, and if you wanted to view it, you can click on the view to see how it has been displayed. Okay, so I'm going to click on the view option. So my image has been posted in my community tab, and this will be visible for all our subscribers. And the most important thing is this community tab option will be available only if you have 1000 subscribers. Okay, so now we'll see it on how to do it in using Android phone. Similarly, go to your YouTube channel. So here you can see 5 icons. Okay, home, explore and the plus sign, subscription and library. You have to click on the plus icon. As you upload your video, you have to click on the plus icon. Next you will get an option stating upload a video, go live and create a post. If you don't have 1000 subscribers, create a post option will not be available for you. Okay, so click on the create a post option. Now you can give a headline. So whatever is your topic, you can just give a quote and you can import your image. Similarly, here also you have to reposition the image, otherwise it will take defaultly whatever is shown in the image, it will take it as it is. So better reposition which portion you want your audience to see it and then give on post. Once your post has been posted successfully, you will get a notification below. So you can click on the view option to see your post. So on top you can see it is given as home, video, playlist, community. Okay, so only after getting 1000 subscribers this will be eligible for us. So it is very simple to post in community tab. So if you have any queries, just drop down your questions or your comments in the below comment box. So thanks for watching the video. For more videos, stay tuned with Taju Creations, and if you have not subscribed it, please subscribe Taju Creations.